Hello everyone. In today's episode, we are going to discuss about some words that we generally use interchangeably. That is stress, worry and anxiety. Let's start our discussion from the word stress. Stress is that kind of mental status where we have to fulfill so many demands, but we are incapable of fulfilling all those demands. Like a very practical example of stress in nowadays life is at home all the women are working from home and working off home. So the work of home and the professional life is somehow making so many demands in front of us and we are incapable of fulfilling that, and that is creating stress in our mind. But if we start taking stress in a positive way and start thinking of the solutions by which we can overcome the stress, then that is the positive aspect of stress. But in some cases, sometimes people start thinking about or start having a thought process of the same stress, and not even in the present situation but start thinking about the past, means by what actions that person started feeling that stress, or what is going to be the impact of stress in their future, and that lead to the word called as worry. But all these two words, all these two conditions of stress and worry can help you in overcoming it if you start thinking of the solutions of the problem. But the moment you intensify your worries, you intensify your stress, then that lead to a combination of a physical response and thought process that leads to anxiety. So actually the intensified version of worry and stress is anxiety. That's all about the discussion of stress, worry and anxiety. And let's talk about the second part of the episode, and that is how you can overcome stress in your day-to-day life. Starting with it. There are few tips that you can use in your day-to-day life so that you can overcome stress. The first and foremost way of overcoming stress is whenever in your daily schedule, wherever you're feeling that you are stressed, try to keep all your work aside, sit properly, calmly and have a relaxed breathing pattern. Try to focus on your breathing pattern, inhale and exhale. That helps in refreshing your mind, and then you can actually think of the solutions of the problems that lead to the stress. The second tip that you can use in your day-to-day life is you can start having some exercise every day. Exercise is something that actually creates good hormones in your body, and that is very important if you want to have a stress-free day. The third tip that you can use to decrease your stressful day is try to disconnect from all the electronic gadgets or networking or internet surfing, to keep 30 minutes or 1 hour for reconnecting yourself to the natural world. You can go for a walk, you can stand in your balcony and can look around the nature. You can do any kind of activity that you feel like can connect you to the nature. The fourth tip that you can use to have a stress-free life is you can have a creative moment in a particular day. Creative moment means you can go for coloring, for painting or whatever your hobby you are having. Like even if you love writing poetries, then you can write poetries. The next tip that you can use in having a stress-free condition is you can write your everyday's worst and best moments in a diary. Having a personal diary and jotting down all your best and worst memories help you in not cluttering these thoughts inside your mind and keeping all such kind of thoughts in a trash bin so that you can start a fresh day every morning. The last tip for the day or for this episode is to crank up in the music. Music is something that gives you a relaxing moment. So try to give yourself some time and crank up into the music that will help you in releasing this stress. That's all for today. I hope this will help you in overcoming this stress. Do like, share and subscribe my channel.